Hello everyone, welcome back to LeetCode Daily Life where I do the daily question, roll, and the cuts. So we have an easy today. It's called type of triangle. So we're given an array of numbers. So let's see. Okay, so it's only three. So there are only three elements in there. So I suspect those are the sides of the triangle. Yeah, so size 3, which can form the sides of the triangle. And the numbers are pretty small as well. So because it is an easy question, usually that's the case. So if it is equilateral, if it has all sides of equal length, isosceles is like if you have two sides that are the same. And then scalene, I forgot how to pronounce this. If it has all sides of different lengths. Yeah, also if it can't form a triangle, we have to return none. So like there's an example, like for example, if you have like 1, 2, and 10, so like if you have length 1, 2, and then 10, well, you can't actually form a triangle, right? So because you have the length 10, like side, and then you have like a length 1 and length 2. So that means like the smaller two sides, when you add them up, it has to be greater than the longer side. So if it is, I'm not sure whether they're going to count this or not, but if it is 5, 5, 10, technically you can call it like a triangle, but it's really just a line. But yeah, I'm gonna say they want it to be greater than. So yeah, we just have to check these cases and then we can just code it up. So so if nums0 equals nums1 equals nums2, then we want to return equilateral. And now if nums0 equals to nums1 or nums1 equal to nums2 or nums0 is equal to nums2, well, we want to return isosceles. Oh wait, actually we should sort the numbers first, I think. Then we don't need the extra case at the back. So you just do that. And it's also useful for when we are checking whether we can actually form a triangle or not. So if nums0 plus nums1 is greater than nums2, because now the largest number is at the back, right? Like after we have sorted it, we can just do this instead of like having to find it again. So if that's true, we can just return scaling. I don't know how to pronounce that. Otherwise, we just return none. So I think that should work. Yeah, this question should be pretty straightforward. And oh, okay. So I have to swap the order actually. So we actually have to check none first. In that case. So yeah, I didn't think about that. Yeah, but basically like because I've checked the equal length thing, for isosceles, it is possible to have like 1, 1, 10, right? And you can't actually form a triangle. So we have to check nums0 plus nums1. If it is smaller or equal to nums2, then we can't actually form a triangle. So we need to return none in that case. And I think that should work now. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I mean, this question is pretty self-explanatory, so I probably won't talk too much about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.